Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right driver and routing so Reaper can work predictably. Select an SEO driver if available, pick your interface, and set the buffer to 128 or 256 samples to balance load and latency. Once done, make sure sample rate matches your project settings and close other audio apps that steal resources. Also, disable CPU throttling and power-saving modes on your machine so the buffer behaves consistently. This reduces spikes that masquerade as latency. Now you optimize Reaper itself to reduce round-trip delay. Open Preferences, go to Audio Device, and confirm buffer size and sample rate match your interface. Enable thread prioritization or boost Reaper's CPU priority if available. Use a SEO guard and experiment with its settings to pre-buffer processing. Once you identify CPU-heavy plugins, freeze or render those tracks to samples, and use track freezing to offload real-time processing. This lowers real-time latency while keeping your mix intact. Finish by measuring and validating latency so you know it's solved. Check reported input and output latency in preferences and compensate with track delay if necessary when recording. If you still hear clicks or dropouts, increment the buffer gradually, move to 512 samples only if needed, then restart the audio engine to apply changes. If problems persist, try an alternate SEO driver or update your interface firmware. As a troubleshooting tip, test with a single track and bypass all plugins to isolate whether CPU or driver is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.